Gupta, it's Dancy from Australia. It's 4 months since my transplant, and as you can see, my temples and hairline are really starting to thicken now, and my eyebrows are starting to fill out, which is really good because I absolutely hated my tattooed eyebrows. A very unnatural look. So I wanted to say thank you for everything, and in particular your very dutiful aftercare service, which was not compromised by me being 10,000 kilometres away. And I felt that you were at the other end of the phone if ever I needed a question answered or a concern attended to. So thank you very much, and thank you to your team. Kind regards. Bye.